Come along with me as I prep my grammar centers for the entire school year. The first thing I'm doing is I'm using the quick print file from this. Instead of downloading each individual grammar center, I'm just quick printing everything. So here's that file, super long, but it's got everything in it. And everything from that file is going in here, and I have a second box which holds set 2. The first thing I did was print the cover and the back cover, which tells me which centers are in each case. Next thing I did was cut apart these task card box covers and put them into each and every box. And then I created my assembly line here, but I sorted everything. This set comes with color game boards, but then also black and white ones that can be put on Astro Bright. So I pulled those out. I'm going to laminate those. So I separated them. Next thing I did was pull out all of the things that I need to make copies of. So here are like the answer sheets, and then I have the answer keys, the directions. These are all separated. And last but not least, my huge pile of centers. Yes, I have to prep all of these. So in this gigantic pile, there are 30 different sets of games. Many of them are task cards, but there are several different kinds in here as well. Highly recommend using a paper cutter for this and not scissors. So when I'm teaching pronouns, I grab the box. In here are these task cards. Go to my file holder here. In this folder, I have the game directions for pronouns. In this one, I have the answer sheet. So I know I'm going to need to make a copy for all of my students for this one. And then my answer key, when I eventually will need it, is going to be in here as well. And that's how my students practice grammar all year long.